Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Bank of Jamaica has reduced its policy rate for a second time since the start of the year on signs it will meet its targeted inflation rate. In a release on Tuesday, the central bank said it would cut its policy rate by 25 points, taking it to 2.75%. The decision follows its assessment that inflation over the next 2 years should remain within the target range of 4 to 6%. The Bank of Jamaica added that the reduced policy rate is aimed at supporting faster loan growth and economic expansion. The Jamaican credit market continues to be affected by excess funds, and the central bank is hoping that lower policy rates will prompt lenders to drop interest rates. That would encourage more borrowing, especially for the productive sectors. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.14. The Canadian dollar is costing $100.61. The pound sterling is going for $176.39, while the euro costs $156.92. Seprod has released results showing a 19% dip in profit for its financial year, which ended on December 31. Profit at the conglomerate stood at $710 million. That's only 4% of revenues, which exceeded $16 billion. Seprod said it expected the dip in profit because 2016 results included a one-off investment gain of $360 million. If that is excluded, its profit would reflect a 38% improvement over 36%. And the JSE index fell more than 666 points today, while the junior market index gained almost 12. Stocks posting gains include 1834 Investments, Fosrich, Jamaica Producers, Lasca Financial, Scotia Group, and Wisynco. Among the losers are Barita Investments, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Dolphin Cove, Jetcon, Mayberry Investments, Radio Jamaica, Seprod, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.